Hello and welcome to the new bulletin of CMS News. CMS wins the Best NSS Unit. The Kerala State NSS Award ceremony for the year 2018-19, 2019-20, 2020-21 years was held at Nishagandhi Auditorium on June 8, 2022. The CMS NSS Unit was awarded as the Best NSS Unit for the year 2019-20. The award was received by Principal Dr. Verghese C. Joshua. The program was inaugurated by Honorable Chief Minister of Kerala, Shri Pinarayi Vijayan. The NSS Program Officer Ashok Alex Luke was awarded for the Best Program Officer. This award was for the various activities undertaken by the NSS unit within and outside the college. The awards are for participation in the housing of families in the adopted village of Karil Colony, chlorination project in various panchayats of Kottayam to clean up polluted water resources after the floods with the sanitation mission, and active participation in the sweep project by the district administration aimed at 100% election polling. CMS College wins award. CMS College wins World Environment Day Award 2021-22 by Kerala State Pollution Control Board. CMS documentary Cradle of Modernity wins prestigious award. The documentary Cradle of Modernity History of CMS College Kottayam won the Outstanding Achievement Award in the documentary category at the 29th Tagore International Film Festival. It also won Critics' Choice Award at 64th season of the prestigious Calcutta International Cult Film Festival. The film also received Special Jury Award at the Indo-French International Film Festival. It also won One Earth Awards Best Short Film Documentary Gold winner. Another proud moment was its official selection for the National Documentary Short Film Festival. The documentary discusses the history of the first college in India and the role played by the college in rooting out modernity in Kerala. The documentary is scripted by College Principal Dr. Verghese C. Joshua and directed by renowned film director Joshi Matthew. CMSN secured placement at big firms. The placement drive of CMS College was a huge success. 143 postgraduate students of CMS College secured placements in various organizations. The organization which conducted the placement drive included Federal Bank, ISAF Bank, KPMG, Deloitte, Sutherland, Accenture, Infosys, Cognizant, TCS, Wipro, HCL, Tech Mahindra, Tata LC, Czech India Extramarks, GICE. Initiation of Irrigation Project. The irrigation project started at CMS College was inaugurated by College Manager Right Reverend Bishop Dr. Malil Sabu Koshi Cherian. The college has decided to use the water from this project for various purposes of the college such as gardening and agriculture. To maintain the entire landscape of the college, automatic sprinkler and modern technologies are used. Hues of Time workshop launched. CMS College launched a workshop as a part of Hue of Time initiative. The workshop was conducted on June 29th at the Educational Theatre. World-renowned sculptor K.S. Radhakrishnan delivered the keynote address on his journey with Musui and Maya. Renowned art critic and historian Johnny M.L. lectured on art appreciation in the public and private domains, and landscape architect Bijoy Chako Verghese on public space art and landscapes. Principal Dr. Verghese C. Joshua presided over the ceremony. Artists T.R. Udaykumar and Dr. Vijay Thomas Kurian spoke on this occasion. Vajra Jayanti team in Kottayam CMS College. Vajra Jayanti Yatra was organized by Asianet News and NCC to celebrate the 75th year of India's independence. The purpose of the visit was to bring to the world the history and culture of CMS College, which is part of the modernization of India. Justice K.T. Thomas, a former Supreme Court judge and alumnus of CMS College, and Principal Dr. Verghese C. Joshua shared their ideas with the team. The team also visited Benjamin Bailey Press. College Canteen inaugurated. CMS College begins the services of the canteen on June 6, 2022. The canteen was inaugurated by College Principal Dr. Verghese C. Joshua with the blessings of Bursar Reverend Cherian Thomas. The canteen is managed by the college authorities. Quality food for the students and faculties within the campus is the motto of the canteen. CMS College won the wrestling championship. CMS College Women Wrestling Team won the All Kerala Wrestling Championship. Femia Rose, Devasri MR from the History Department, Manjusha M from the Economics Department won gold medals. Indu M, Bhavan C from English Department and Sarah Abraham and Inu George History Department won silver medals. Admissions opened. CMS College started the admission procedures for the undergraduate and postgraduate programs for the academic year 2022-23. More details are made available on the official college website. Examination results published. Third semester postgraduate examination results published. For more details, visit the official college website. Examination dates declared. The fourth semester postgraduate examinations dates announced. The exams are scheduled to be held from July 25, 2022. For more details, visit the official college website. Reading Day celebrated. The Department of Malayalam celebrated Reading Day. The program was inaugurated by story writer Govindhan. Jency Baby, a first-year Malayalam postgraduate student, won the first prize. Ashish, a second-year English graduate student, won the second prize, and Atulya Shivadas, a second-year Malayalam graduate student, won the third prize in the book presentation competition held on the occasion. In order to develop the habit of reading in students, the department also started a reading corner. Malayalam project inaugurated. Madhrubhumi and Achayans Gold jointly inaugurated the Malayalam project at CMS College. Achayans Gold MD Tony Workichan inaugurated the project by giving a Madhrubhumi newspaper to CMS College Principal Dr. Verghese C. Joshua. CMS College hosts MG University Cricket League. CMS College became the venue for Mahatma Gandhi University Cricket League 2022. 8 teams that were selected out of 110 teams participated in the competition. The first prize was secured by St. Paul's George Kalamashiri. Lectures held. The Department of Commerce conducted a program on World Environment Day, Only One Earth, on 6th June 2022 at Reverend Josephine Hall, CMS College. The resource person for the event was Dr. Matthew Koshi, former Principal, Bishopmore College, Mavelikara, Honorable Director, Department of Ecological Concerns, CSI, Synod, Chennai. The program was organized by Dr. Verghese C. Joshua, Principal CMS College, and Dr. Anne Abraham, Head of the Department of Commerce. The co-ordinators were Ms. Minnie Mary Nainan and Ms. Akna Mariam Laji. The Department of Economics held this month's Meet Scholar Lecture Series at our campus on 29th June 2022. Dr. R. Sajat Kumar, Professor Emeritus, Department of Infectious Diseases, Government College, Kottayam, was appointed as the keynote speaker for the lecture, Emerging and Re-emerging Infectious Diseases. The Department of Political Science, in association with the Inter-University Center for Social Science Research and Extension, Mahatma Gandhi University, conducted a lecture on the topic India and the Global South, Changing Dynamics on 30th June 2022. Professor K.N. Sethi, ICSE Senior Fellow Director, Inter-University Center for Social Science Research and Extension and former Director at School of International Relations and Politics, Mahatma Gandhi University, Kottayam, was invited as the speaker. Quiz competitions held. The Department of Zoology organized quiz competition as part of the World Ocean Day. Gayatri V.S., Diya Eshudas and Hurul Lena secured the first, second and third positions respectively. Automatic soap dispenser installed. Giving importance to personal hygiene and to support technological innovations, an automatic soap dispenser has been installed inside our college canteen. The hand sanitizer machine that was installed 2 years ago has been redesigned as a soap dispenser. The device was built under the guidance of Binu Johnson, physics lab instructor of our college. Organized career building workshop. R.E. Newton Center, in association with Commerce Self-Finance Department, conducted career building workshop for students. The workshop was led by CMS College Corporate Relation Director Sudeep Cherian. Programs undertaken by NSS. National Service Scheme organized a wide range of programs as part of Environment Week. Kottayam District Collector Srimati P.K. Jayashree IAS inaugurated the program. A training program on Only One Earth was also organized. Quiz competition, mobile photography competition, slogan writing competition and a poetry writing competitions were organized on the theme of Life on Earth as part of weekly celebrations. Amrit P. won first place in the quiz competition and Verghese Elias bagged the second position and Srigesh Poti, CMS College Kottayam, bagged the third position. Arvind L. stood first and Varsha Shibu stood second in the slogan writing competition and won the positions. Srijit Riji, CMS College Kottayam, bagged the first position and Harikrishnan, SNGM Arts and Science College Kottayam, bagged the second position in the mobile photography competitions. Sangeeta S, CMS College Kottayam, won the first prize and Mohammad Shahrukh Khan, Kerala University, won the second prize in the poetry competition. CMS College NSS unit along with Nehru Yuvakendra Kottayam distributed 500 fruit saplings on the occasion of Environment Day. Awareness was also created on the topic of Say No to Disposable Pens. NSS unit conducted a seminar on 25th June at our college in association with the International Drugs Day. The inaugural address was delivered by Mr. Sojan Sebastian, Assistant Excise Commissioner and District Manager of Vimukti Mission, Kottayam branch. Mr. Benoy, EV Civil Service Officer of Excise Division Kottayam, engaged the volunteers with a very interesting and informative talk sharing his experiences handling drug abuse cases. NSS unit of our college tailored Snehaveedu, an initiative to build the dream house for one of the former students of our college who lost her parents due to COVID. The NSS volunteers have joined their hands to collect the required amount within and outside the campus to provide life to this project. Kerala Government Department of Social Justice and Senior in association with BCM College organized an awareness day against violence. Students held a flash mob to promote the day. Principal Dr. Verghese Joshua presided over the ceremony and District Social Justice Department Officer Shamnath VA administered the oath. Kottayam District Court Advocate Shiny Gobi delivered the keynote address. NSS unit along with the Physical Education Department conducted a yoga training session in association with International Yoga Day. Keynote address was given by the Principal Dr. Verghese Joshua. NSS Program Officer Dr. Ajish K.R. also delivered a speech to make the students aware of yoga and its benefits. Sad demise for CMS. Professor Verghese Epen, former professor of the Economics Department of our college, passed away. He was also the vice principal of our college during 2010-2012. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next bulletin. Also, don't forget to follow the official Instagram page of our college to be up to date on the latest happenings at CMS. This is Josna Anna Joseph signing off.